Roofr helps roofing contractors get more jobs and make more money. We do that in many different ways. For roofing contractors, both homeowners and business owners come to us looking for a roofing contractor. We connect those homeowners and business owners directly to our preferred roofing contractors through our website and our mobile app. Our goal is not to change the way roofers do business, it's simply to enhance it. If a roofing contractor is interested in being a part of Roofr, the onboarding process is super simple and quick. We have a quick sign-up form on our website. Within 24 hours, one of our in-house roofing experts will give you a call, do a 30-minute screen share showing you exactly how everything works, and then within 24 hours, we can start connecting homeowners and business owners directly to you. A lot of our roofers come to us and say that they're spending tens of thousands of dollars a year on satellite imagery tools. We offer those tools for free. A lot of our roofing contractors tell us that a big reason why they love working with us so much is it doesn't cost them anything up front. We do not charge you a single penny until you actually sell the job. A lot of roofing contractors, they're great roofing contractors and they want to be roofing contractors. They don't want to deal with the marketing and the advertising and everything else. We take care of all of that for them. One of our roofers last year did almost 200 roofs with us. If you're a roofing contractor looking to grow your business and you really want to take it to the next level, we're the company for you.